are like this way. We have this L is equal to 0, and then corresponding to L is equal to 0, there are many more points on that curve. Okay, so अगर इस चीज को हम कहें तो हम यहाँ पे कह सकते हैं कि only this L decides the energy levels. Okay, so we can say there is an energy level which is like this way, which corresponds to L is equal to 0, and there is some level which corresponds to L is equal to 1. There is some level which corresponds to L is equal to 2. Okay, and then L is equal to 3. Okay, I have no problem with this thing. If this is the case, then I am happy with this. This is the most simplest thing ever. Okay, so let us say L is equal to 0 represents S state. These are spectroscopical labels. S, this is P, this one is D, and this one is F. Okay, so let me just summarize them somewhere. If we have L is equal to 0, it is S. L is equal to P, 1, it's P, D, and F. Okay, there are L is equal to 4, that means G. L is equal to 4 means G level, and L is equal to 5 means H level. L is equal to 6 means I level. Okay, these are the energy levels. Okay, so we can say this is the case. If it is the case, this is the most one, simple one. Okay, so let us draw these energy levels and try to see that whether those magic numbers are coming up or not. Okay, this is the level. Okay, let me draw this level here. This third level here, then we have fourth level, then fifth one. Okay, then we have other level here. Okay, I think these levels are quite enough. Okay, we have levels here, right? So if we have levels, we can label them 1s, 2s, whatever is there, we can label them. This is 1s, this is 1p. Okay, okay, let me say L is equal to 0. L is equal to 0. Then what was N? N was 1. Okay, this level represents. Okay, if L is equal to 0, then N was also 2. Okay, this represents 1. This represents, okay, we can say this represents 1p. No, this doesn't represent 1p. We can link it like this way. Okay, okay, first of all, we'll draw if L is 0, then N is 1. This is what we call as 1s level. And how many electrons 1s level can occupy? We all know that it can occupy only 2 nucleons. Okay, so here it is 2. So if it is 2 here, means first shell closure occurs here. Okay, so first shell closure should occur at 2. Okay, that is right. Now second is 1p. 1p is there. Okay, if I have 1p, then it can occupy 6 electrons. We know p has degeneracy 6, so 6 electrons, 6 nucleons here. So
1p होता है.
Nucleons here 6. So 6 and 2 कितने हो गए? 8. Okay, second closure will occur at 8. So this is going fantastic. Then we have 1d here, 1d level. Okay, d can occupy 10 electrons. Okay, it can occupy 10 electrons, right? Then we have here 1f. Okay, 2s. First we have 2s. 2s में 2 electrons हैं. So count कितने हैं? It is 10 plus 2, that is 12. 12 और last मिला के 8, तो ये 20. Okay, third shell closure occurs at 20. Okay, it's going fantastic. Okay, 3 magical numbers we have obtained. Now, इसके बाद आता है 1f. 1f is here. Okay, if 1f is here, it can occupy how many electrons? 14 electrons. And 20 plus 14, that's 34. So fourth shell closure occurs here. So if fourth shell closure is occurring here, 34. Okay, first occurs at 2, then 8, then 20. These are the experimental results. Okay, I agree with these 3. These are experimental results. But fourth one is not an experimental result. 34 is not a magic number. Okay, if you see, अगर आप इस procedure को continue करोगे, तो you will see next shell closure occurs at 40. Okay, this is a magic number. If you continue this, you will see next shell closure occurs at 58. 58 is not in fact a magical number. So ये जो हमें यहाँ पे results obtain हो रहे हैं, these results are partially correct. Okay, only 3 magic numbers, or we can say at higher level 4. बस ये हो रहा है, और कोई magic number नहीं हो रहा है यहाँ पे हमें visible. So it means that if we are going to choose that potential, it will not yield 100% correct result. Okay, only 3 magical numbers will be there. Okay, so you can say अगर हम 20 तक जाएं, means neutron number 20 तक. Neutron number 20 हो गए light nuclei. है ना, those refers to light nuclei. So you can say, sir, this model is really very applicable to what? The light nuclei. Okay. For if we increase the neutron number, this model obviously fails. It's not able to explain some higher properties. Okay. So lighter nuclei के लिए ये तो observation ठीक जा रही है. Okay. So we can say we are moving in a correct direction, right? Now, if this is not the case, let us try out with some other potential. Okay, we have some other potential also. That is, let me consider we have harmonic potential. Okay, let us say harmonic potential. I am just writing it. This is harmonic potential, and this harmonic potential is, we all know, it's half of m omega square r square, or we can say x square, whatever it is. So this is the potential, and this one is the most easy to solve. Okay, we all have solved this. And last पे हमें एक expression निकली थी energy के लिए, if we all remember that, that is E is equal to 2n plus L. मैं इसको अब इतना ज़्यादा सॉल्व नहीं करने वाला हूँ जैसे मैंने पहले में दिखाया, क्योंकि प्रोसीजर ऑलरेडी डिफाइंड है कैसे करना है. तो आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग द वैल्यू 3/2. Okay, then we have h cross omega. Okay, this is the energy levels. Okay. Okay, one thing, let's say there are some messages. Yes, these are assumptions in fact, but we are trying to hit the target. Okay. So अच्छा, वो पहले CIA में एक क्वेश्चन आया था, वो shape independent formalism. All of we were confused. What was that? Okay, you will just be able to solve that in few minutes, I think. So this is the energy. Okay, let us say this is like this. So I can write it like this: E is equal to, okay, 12 plus L, 2n plus L. I will write it by n. N plus 3/2. N plus 3/2 h cross omega. Okay, अब ये n किसके बराबर है? कैपिटल N हमने लिखा है यहाँ पे. It is 2n plus L. Okay, and this n corresponding to this n, there are energy levels. Okay, if we are going to put n is equal to 0, this will be a first energy level. This will be our first energy level. Okay, so n is equal to 0. n is equal to 0 का मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब ये है कि 2n plus L is 0, है ना. इसका पहला मतलब तो ये बनता है कि 2n plus L is 0. It simply means n is 0 and L is 0, है ना. तो n is 0, L is 0. This is the first energy level in fact. So this will be called as a 1s. Let us label it. It will be 1s. Okay. And second is n is equal to 2, n is equal to 1. Okay. So it means 2n plus L is 1. Okay. What are the possible values of n and L which can satisfy this one? Okay. There is simple, n is equal to 0, L is equal to 1. Somebody may simply substitute it. N is equal to 0, L is equal to 1. Okay. This one. What is this called as? It's 1p. Okay. If n is equal to 2, n is equal to 2, we can say n plus L is equal to 2, which means that अगर हम देखेंगे इस इक्वेशन को कौन सी वैल्यू सेटिस्फाई कर सकते हैं, then that is, we can first of all say n is 0, then L is 2. Okay, is there any possible other possible combination? We can say n is 1, okay, and L is 0. This may also be a possible combination. Okay, so this refers to n is equal to 0. It means it is 1d, L is equal to 2, है ना. This is n is equal to 1, means it is 2s. Okay, so यहाँ पे देख लो 1d और 2s के लिए n का वैल्यू, कैपिटल N का वैल्यू 2 है, means these two levels are degenerate. They will have same energy. Okay, they are degenerate. इनका same energy होगा as per harmonic potential value. Okay, they have same energy. Similarly, if we say n is equal to 3, okay, this last case I am going to do. So this is 2n plus L, which is equivalent to 3. है ना. I can say here what are the possibilities. So you can say n is 0, L is 3. This is the first possibility. Okay, somebody may say second possibility is n is 1, L is 1. N is 1, L is 1. Somebody will say n is okay, n is 1, and is there any other possibility? No, there is no possibility, right? So we can have these two possibilities. Okay, so we can say this one is n is equal to 0. It means 1f. Okay, this is n is equal to 1, which means 2p. Okay, n is equal to 3, right? If n is going to be 4, then what can be the possibility? Which means 2n plus L is 4, which means the possibilities are, the possibility is n is 0, L is 4, है ना. ये पहली possibility है. Okay, n is 0, L is 4. Second one is n is 1. Okay, then what is L? L may be 3 then. Okay, I think it is 2, 1 or 2 and then 3. Okay, if n is 2, then L is 2, है ना. ये हमारे पास है L is 2.
L is 2.
L is 2.
If n is 1, then L will be 2.
If n is 1,
To
then
give
L.
the sum as 4.
No,
2 into 2, and then L is equal to 2.
okay, 4, right, right. So this is, what is that? 1, n is equal to 0, L is equal to 4. This may be 1 and G, right? 1G. What is this then? N is 1, L is 3. It means that it is 2D. N is
N 3 होगा, L 3 होगा इस केस में.
N is 0, L is 3, which means it's 1F, right? Okay, 1 minute.
नहीं, सम आना चाहिए ना 4. तो अगर n 1 होगा तो second possibility is L will be 2.
Okay, let me do it once again.
Sure.
N is 0, then L is 4, right? This one is correct. If N is 1, then L is 2.
L is 2, हाँ, ताकि total sum 4 आ जाए.
4.
It's a mistake here. So at last, if N is there any other possibility?
नहीं, मुझे लगता है ये दो possibilities है.
And let me say you are wrong. If N is 2, L can be 0 also. This can also satisfy.
Yeah, L can be 0.
So N is 0, L is 4, it means 1G. If N is 1, L is 2, it's 2D. N is 2, L is 0, it means 3S. So we are done with spectroscopic labeling, I guess. Right, so we can just say. So you can observe one thing here. 1F and 2P are degenerate levels. 1G, 2D, and 3S are degenerate levels. Okay. So we can plot them. Okay, let me plot them. On some axes, we'll plot it. Okay, we have here one, then other level here, then other level here, then here. Okay. But remember, they are not subjected to scales. Okay, I'm drawing them roughly. So first level is this one. Okay, it may be here. This is 1S, right? This is 1S level. This is 1P level. This is 2S and 1D. 2S and 1D are same levels, right? We have 2P and 1F. They are degenerate. 2P, 1F. Okay, we have 3S, 2D and 3S, 2D, 1G. They are at same energy levels. Okay, we may assume that. Okay, 1 minute.